A modern cruise ship is pretty much a floating city, carrying thousands across the ocean.
With restaurants, theaters, and even hospitals, let's break down how it all works.
So, what really makes these massive vessels tick? Let's take a closer look inside.
All right, let's start at the very top with the ship's brain and senses.
Right at the highest point, you'll find the radar domes and satellite antennas. These are key for radar, internet, and GPS. They keep the ship connected and aware.
Just below that is the navigation bridge. Think of it as the ship's command center.
This is where the captain makes every decision, from steering to changing speed.
Okay, so what about life for the passengers? And how is everyone kept safe?
Well, the heart of the ship is the passenger decks, all those floors stacked with cabins.
A big ship can have over 15 decks, housing more than 6,000 guests.
And for safety, you'll always see lifeboats mounted along the sides, ready to go.
They're more than just boats. They're enclosed, motorized, and packed with supplies.
Now let's go below the waterline to the systems that keep everything running smoothly.
The whole ship actually sits inside a double-layer hull, made of 2 layers of steel.
So if the outer layer gets damaged, the inner one keeps water out. Pretty smart.
For smooth ride, underwater fins adjust automatically to stop the ship from rolling. Okay, time for the engine room, the real powerhouse of the ship. Deep inside the hull is the main engine room, a huge and powerful space. These engines generate over 100,000 horsepower. That's like dozens of trains. That power turns a long drive shaft that runs all the way to the propellers. The giant propellers push the ship forward, while the rudder right behind them steers.
So, let's put it all together. How does this floating city work in harmony?
Every single part has a job, from the radar and bridge up top to the hull below. It's an amazing piece of engineering, right? Makes you wonder what other incredible machines are out there.